Hey guys, welcome back. This is AjaxG here with another video. So today I'm going to talk about laptops for YouTube editing. This is going to be for light editing and for, a little bit on the extreme side if you want to get to the 4K editing for gaming content on YouTube, or if you want to post up your stream content on YouTube so people can know that you stream on Twitch or Mixer or Facebook, wherever you stream at. Okay, so before I get into this, I want you guys to know that there will be a giveaway. Stick around to the end of this video and I'll let you know all the information for the giveaway. It's for reaching 500 subscribers. I really appreciate you guys coming to my videos all the time. Alright, so the first thing that I'm going to talk about, I'm just going to let you guys know the minimum specs for Sony Vegas, Adobe Premiere, and DaVinci, okay? Alright, so for Sony Vegas, you need a minimum processor of a 6th gen and up, an i5 6th gen and up. Okay, you need a minimum of 8 gigabytes of RAM, recommended 16, okay? And you just need, space on your hard disk drive. Same thing for Adobe Premiere, but everyone recommends 16 gigabytes. So the laptops I'm going to show you are going to have 8 gigabytes, and you're going to be able to upgrade them if you need to in the future. Now, 16 and 32 gigabytes is required for Adobe Premiere and DaVinci, especially if you're trying to get to 4K video editing. Alright, so let's get into the first laptop for you guys. Alright, so for the first one, this is going to be the best option for you guys on this list. Is an Asus TUF gaming laptop. It has a 120 Hz display. It has a Ryzen 5 3500. Okay, this is the newest Ryzen series processor. It's equivalent to Intel i5, okay, of the 10th gen. It has a GeForce GTX 1650 graphics card and 8 gigabytes of RAM and 256 storage of SSD, okay? Now, the reason why I said this one, because it has a dedicated graphics card, so that's going to take off the load from the RAM and the CPU when you're processing videos. And this laptop only comes in at $850, so you can actually stream off of this and do video editing, and you should be perfectly fine with this option, okay? So that is a really great option if you're someone that wants to buy a laptop that's good for streaming and video editing. That is perfect straight off the bat. Don't need to do anything extra. Now, that one you can add RAM if you wanted to. Now, for the next one, it's going to be about $250 cheaper. And this is going to be mainly for video editing, anything under 4K. So you can do 1080, 60 frames per second on this one. And you can add RAM to it, okay? So you guys know I love showing off HP laptops because their customer service is really great if something happens to the laptop, as long as you don't do any damage of your own to it. Okay, so this one has an Intel i5, a 10th gen. It has 8 gigabytes of RAM and 250 gigabytes of solid state drive, and it's only $600. Now you can add RAM to this one, so you can make it 16 gigabytes of RAM, but the 8 gigabytes of RAM will be just fine, especially if you're not doing anything that's 4K. Usually when people start out doing videos on YouTube, they're not trying to get 4K. If you are trying to get 4K, that means you want a better laptop to process your 4K editing. All right, guys? All right, so now that we're halfway through the video, I'm going to let you guys know about the giveaway. So I am going to be giving away a HyperX headset, okay? This is a gaming headset. You can use it for the PC, PS4, Xbox, Switch, whatever console that you have. Okay, the only requirement is down below in the comment section. You comment what you do, whether you're a streamer, whether you're a content creator, or you want to become a content creator, okay? Also, there will be a Gleam link in the comment section down below. You must do the Gleam link as well. This is for my subscribers, so if you're not subscribed, you will not be eligible to win, okay? This is a thank you to you guys for supporting me. I've been doing YouTube for 3 years, and I've seriously been doing it for the past, I want to say year, and I finally reached my 500 subscribers, and I really appreciate you guys, all right? All right, so we're going to get into the last laptop on this list. I try not to do too many laptops, but there will be other links in the description down below if you want to check out other laptops that I didn't mention in this video. All right, so let's get into it. Okay, so the last laptop on this list is an Asus Predator. Okay, this is a gaming laptop. It has an i5 9th gen CPU. Okay, it has a GTX 1660 Ti. It has 8 gigabytes of RAM, 512 gigabytes of solid state drive. Okay, so this comes in at almost $1,000. The reason why I showed you, two laptops that's pretty much close to $1,000 and one that's $600, because you don't want to buy a laptop that you're going to have to upgrade within a year or two. You want to have something that's going to last you at least 3 years, so you can get 3 years worth of your money. So that would be roughly $300 a year if you think about it, right? So this is a dope laptop. This is perfect for streaming and video editing. So it has an Ethernet port because it's a gaming laptop, so you'll be able to stream on whatever platform that you want, perfectly fine. Also, you'll be able to do video editing. Now, you can add RAM to this laptop. This one goes up to 32. So the two gaming laptops go up to 32 and the HP goes up to 16, okay? So 16 is usually recommended, but 8 is the minimum, so that means you can get decent video editing content on there, okay? I hope this was helpful for you guys. Saturday, I'm going to start doing a new some new content, so please check out every Saturday. You're gonna see some new gaming content with story time, so I think you guys will enjoy that. Remember, thank you guys for watching. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. It really does help, and check you out next time. AJaxG out.